After my last helmet, the Yellow Ranger, I was kind of disappointed. I wasn't very happy with how I think turned out. I am going to try to fix that, sand it back down, try to use the yellow again, use a better primer. So this is going to take some time, and when I get around to it, because I have other projects I want to get done before Christmas, and some other things I just want to do. So I did finish the White Ranger helmet, and I am very glad I did this. And I was kind of bummed out with the Yellow Ranger helmet, but with the White Ranger helmet, I think it turned out really, really well. So here's my White Ranger helmet. Turned out very good. I'm very happy and pleased with this. I did do a lot of sanding, did a lot of work on it, taking my time, being careful, and making sure I use the right materials, using the primer that 2-in-1 primer from that sandable from Rust-Oleum. It worked really, really well. And I'm very happy with the way it turned out. So, and it fits my head. It's my big old noggin. It's probably my best piece I think I've done so far. And after the last piece, which is probably the worst piece I've done, this piece being the best piece so far has really, renewed my interest and just working on it and trying to get better. And just like anything that you do, if you're trying things and learning and making mistakes, those things are going to happen. And hopefully, in the end, you'll start seeing some results. And I definitely see some results here. And I'm very, very happy with it. So thanks for all you guys' helps. And thank you for the other YouTubers and stuff like that who give you ideas on how to do things. So thank you very much. I appreciate it.